Hey TechKnowStuds, once we've created a plan, we need to evaluate that plan and implement it. So in this lesson, let's talk about that evaluation and implementation phase. Once we've created a plan, it's time to have it evaluated. Now really, that planning phase is going to look very similar into the evaluation phase in the sense that we are going to evaluate everything on everything that we talked about in the planning phase. And so as we're doing this, we're also going to take a look at these procedures and what those procedures look like and making sure the procedures are correct. We're going to measure them up against our policies and make sure that the plan meets our policies and the changes meets our policies, specifically our security policies. We're going to take a look at the communication throughout the process here and make sure that everybody that needs to be communicated to is being communicated to at the proper times. Now, have you ever proofread your own work or gone back and looked at what you've created? A lot of times we can identify issues with what we created, and that is fine. And we can do the same thing with this change management process. But I can tell you, you will probably overlook a lot of things if you're evaluating a plan that you've created yourself. And so that's where something like a change advisory board or a CAB comes into place. This is a team of people that are going to look at changes, going to look at the plan and evaluate the plan across all those considerations to make sure that nothing is getting overlooked. And what they do is they give the final approval on whether this change is accepted or not. And then, of course, the next phase is the implementation. Of course, at this point, we've already thought through everything and have the procedures all written out. So at this point, it's just a matter of going through and checking things off and implementing that change.